Alright, what's going on, guys? Matt Hotness here, going out into Blizzard 2016, dressed and ready to go. Here's what we're gonna go do. This is what it looks like out the front door. Snowed in cars, people walking around, and full-on blizzard. As you guys can see, it's still snowing. It's pretty freaking cold out here. I'm dressed to the T's though. I got this. We're all good. And we're going to continue walking. Check this out though. As you guys can see, I'm standing in front of First Avenue right now. There are no cars allowed on the roads, so people are just wandering aimlessly, just like myself. Normally this would never happen. This street is always full of cars. They've plowed in most people around here. This guy. Not supposed to be on the road, buddy. People are laughing and howling because this is probably the biggest snowstorm to hit New York City in years. And the plow trucks have come through and plowed in all the sidewalks. I'm wandering in the middle of the street right now. Of course, the only place open on this block is Chinese food and the undeniable 7-Eleven behind me right there, as you guys can see. Only place open on this block is 7-Eleven, and I'll be going inside. The wind is howling right now. We're getting whipped around in this snow tornado. The camera can barely even capture how fast it's moving. Crazy. Alright guys, this is going to be my final shot of the New York City blizzard. I'm right outside of a turf asphalt green soccer field thing up here. And it's got really great lighting, so I'm going to try and get a couple of still shots of this last bit coming down. It's just past 6 p.m. and man, it's coming down hard. The New York City blizzard, ladies.